Hello kids, today we are going to be looking at long division. Now, one way of thinking of long division is equal sharing. In equal sharing, we are taking a certain number of things and we are sharing it equally into groups. Okay, in this question that we have here, we have 745 and we are going to share equally or split equally into 6 equal groups. And I have made these 6 different squares as our groups that we are going to share equally into. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to skip count in 6 just to make everything a bit easier, okay? So I'm going to do a skip count 6, 12. I'm going to skip count in 6 because I'm dividing by 6, okay? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Okay, by skip counting, it will be a quick reference for me rather than having to skip count all the time, especially for people who cannot recall their multiplication facts easily. This will certainly help. Okay, and I have here 745 worth of things, okay, and I'll use number this to represent these. Okay, so when we start dividing, we are always going to start with the biggest place value, which is currently hundreds place. Okay, so I have 700s, which you can see here, and I'm going to take this 700s and I'm going to split it equally into 6 groups. Now, if I have 7, okay, and I have 6 groups, could I give each group 1? 1 times 6 would be 6. Or can I give them 2 each, which is 2 times 6? Now, I cannot give them 2 each because that will require 12 pieces. I only have 6, so I'm going to give each person 1. Okay, and let me show you here. We're going to give each person 100. Okay, so we have given each person 100. Now we have given out 1 times 6. We have given out 6 hundreds. Okay, so I'm going to subtract to check how many hundreds do I have left. I have 100 and that is correct. Here I have this 100. Now what are we going to do with this 100? Can we just throw it away? Definitely not. Okay, what do we do? After we're done with the hundreds and we have a remainder, we are going to regroup. Okay, 100 is the same as 10 tens. Yes, 100 is the same as 10 tens. Now, if I have 10 tens and I have 4 tens at the beginning, okay, so I'm going to use red color here. Okay, I'm going to have 14 tens together. Okay, so look, I have 10 tens which I regrouped. Oops. And the 14 that I already had, I now have 14 tens. Okay, now I'm going to want to divide 14 into these 6 groups equally. So let me look at my skip counting chart. Can I give 18? No, I only have 14. I only can give 12. Now, if I give 12, meaning 2 times 6, each person gets 2. Okay, so I'm going to put the 2 there. Okay, 2 times 6 is going to be 12. So let me show you how I give out 12. Each person gets 2. Okay, so 2 here, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, and another 2 there. Okay, and as you can see, I have 2 tens left, and which I'm going to draw here. I have 2 tens left. Okay, so similarly with the tens, now that we have given out all the tens and we have a remainder, okay, we are going to regroup these tens. Okay, so I'm going to do it one by one. Now I'm going to regroup this 10 to become 10 ones. Okay, oh, where's my 10? And the second 10, I'm also going to regroup to become 10 ones. Okay, so if you can see clearly, it is actually a lot of ones, right? Okay, it is so many ones. Okay, but we had 20 plus that 5 that we initially had. Okay, so that would be 25 ones. Now, some of you think of it as bringing down. Yes, we are bringing it down, but the actual concept is that we are regrouping and adding it to the ones that we regroup. Okay, so this is 25 ones. Okay, so all these ones here, there are 25 pieces. Now let me split or divide this into the 6 groups. If I have 25, how many can I give out? Let's look. 6, 12, 18, 24. Wow, I can give out 24. Okay, 24 is 4 times 6. So everybody gets 4. So I'm going to write 4 here. Okay, and 4 times 6 is 24. I'm going to give out 24. So watch as I do that. I'm going to give each one 4 ones. Okay, 4 ones, 4 ones, 4 ones, 4 ones there, and another 4 ones. See, we have done it equally. Everybody gets 4, and I have a remainder of 1 1, which we can see here. If we subtract, we have 1 1 left. Okay, so when we split 745 into 6 equal groups, the answer 124 tells us that there is 124 in each group. Okay, if you look at this group, 124. Okay, so one group has 124, and we have one that is not able to be shared equally into the groups. Now, how do we check our working? Okay, to check whether our answer 124 is correct, we are going to use multiplication. 124 times 6. Okay, 24, 4, and 744 in all these 6 groups plus that 1. Okay, don't forget we have to add back that 1, and we will get 745, which is the same as our dividend there, what we started with. And so our answer of 124, oh, and I should write on top, remainder 1, is correct. So that is long division for you.